We are the European division of the world's largest interconnect, passive and electromechanical products distribution company, and the fastest growing too. With our world-class line card and our deep technology expertise, we are able to support our customers in their design and solutions journey. We partner up with our customers for their product life cycle, and as a result, we accelerate their business growth.
We work with the most trusted supplier partners with a broad inventory profile to get our customers faster to market, reducing costs and minimizing risks.
We are the only distributor with end-to-end capability in-house. From the idea to the design, sampling, sourcing, supply chain, value-added service and logistics. We support our customers along the product life cycle at every step they need us.
Our fastest growing customers expect a supply chain which is as leading edge as their products. Key to this growth is visibility, resilience and flexibility. At Avnet Abacus, we can deliver.
More than 200 FAE and sales specialists deliver expertise in a wide range of technologies to provide the best fit solution for a variety of markets and applications.
Do you have business challenges, time to market, cost efficiency, complex technology? We have solutions.